નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Number 2, solve the following equations. This one is question number 1, also solve the following equation. Question number 2, also solve the following equation. In question number 1 and question number 2, this one is different type of equation. In question number 2, all the equation given a bracket. It means any equations given a bracket, so first of all our first step is remove the bracket. जब भी आपको कोई भी इक्वेशंस ब्रैकेट में दिया गया होगा तो आपका फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या होगा कि आपको इस ब्रैकेट को रिमूव करना पड़ेगा. तो किस तरह से रिमूव करते हैं? सी, हियर इज द 2 and x in bracket x plus 4. Here is no sign, it means multiplication sign. The 2 multiply by in this 2 number. This means 2 multiply by x and 2 multiply by 4. So 2 multiply by x, this means 2x, 2 multiply by 4, this means 8, and here is 12 as it is. Clear? See, students, remove the bracket and then after the equation is 2x plus 8 is equal to 12. Now this one is the question number 1 type equations. Okay, so next to the solve this one. Then how to solve? 8 in this side, so 2x is equal to 12 minus 8. The process is both the sides subtract 8. So the 2x is equal to 12 minus 8 is means 4. 2 in this side, so x is equal to 4 by 2. So x is equal to 2. 2 2s are 4. Right? 2 in this side, so divide, but actual process both the side divided by 2. Same for the next. So first of all 3 multiply by n, it means 3n. 3 multiply by 5, it means 15 is equal to 21. Right? Remove the bracket and then after our equation is 3n minus 15 is equal to 21. Then after the solve, 3n is equal to 15 in this side, so 21 plus 15, it means both the side add 15. 3n is equal to 21 plus 15, it means 36. Now in this side, the 36 divided by 3, it means both the sides divide 3. Now n is equal to 12. Clear? Same for the next. 4 multiply by 2 is means 8. 4 multiply by x is means 4x, but minus here is 9. 8 in this side, so here remaining only 4 minus 4x. 8 in this side, so 9 in this side, so minus 8. This means both the sides subtract 8. So the minus 4x is equal to 9 minus 8 is means 1. Separate x is means minus 4 to this side. Here multiply to this side divide. So x is equal to 1 by minus 4 divided by minus 4. So x is equal to minus 1 by 4. So this one is third question's answers. Understand students how to solve the bracket equations? First of all remove the bracket and then after the solve. Okay, now same for the next, yani ki third one. So here 3 2 2s are 4, 2 multiply by 2y is equal to 7. It is put the sign. If any equations to given the minus, so minus and plus, so minus and plus 2 is negative and here bracket value 2 in positive. So negative positive multiplication answer is negative. Why? Because minus plus minus. So minus 2 multiplied by 2 is means answer is minus 4 in multiplication. Same for the here is 2 and 2. Why? 2 multiplied by is means 2y, but 2 is negative, y is also negative. So negative multiplication answer is positive. So here put here plus sign. Understand? So 3 minus 4 is means minus 1 plus 2y is equal to 7. Right? Minus 1 in this side. So 2y is equal to 7 plus 1. It means both the side add plus. Add plus yani ki 1. Add yani ki plus. How much? 1. So 2y is equal to 7 plus 1 is means 8. Now 2 in this side. It means y is equal to 8 divided by 2. So y is equal to 4. 8 divided by 2 is means 4. Understand? Same for the next. Here is minus 4. So first of all 4 multiplied by 2 is means 8. 4 multiplied by x is means 4x and 9 as it is. This one is negative, this one is positive. So negative, positive, negative, minus plus minus. Minus and minus, minus minus multiplication answer positive yani ki plus. So minus 8 plus 4x is equal to 9. Next minus 8 to this side. 4x is equal to 9 plus 8. Actual one is both the side add 8. 9 plus 8 is means 4x is equal to 17. 4x is equal to 17. Now 4 in multiply. In this side to divide, it means both the side divided by 4. So the x is equal to 17 by 4. 17 by 4, cut is not possible. So our answer is x is equal to 17 by 4 is as it is. Understand? Then after next one, so the 34, 5p minus 5 plus p is means minus 5p. Minus 5 minus 1 multiplication, 5 1 ja 5 minus and minus plus is equal to 4. 34 and 5, this one is positive, this one is positive. Positive to positive, positive. 34 plus 5 is means 39 minus 5p is equal to 4. Now 39 to in this side, this means subtract both the sides, 39 minus 5p in this side, remaining in this side, the 4 minus 39 minus 5p, 4 minus 39 means minus 35, right? Now see here, both the side is minus sign, both the side minus sign, it means both the side minus sign cancel. So our next step is 5p is equal to 35, both the side minus sign cancel, so next step 5p is equal to 35. Now 5 and multiply in this side, p is equal to 35 by 5, it means both the side divided by 5. So p is equal to 35 divided by 5, it means p is equal to 17. Sorry, p is equal to 7. Why? Because 7 5s are 35. इसे कट करोगे तो वो क्या मिलेगा? 7. So clear student, how to solve the bracket equations? First of all, remove the bracket and then after the solve one. Okay, to the next question. Students, continue exercise 4.3, question number 3. Again, solve the following equation. See all the equations given bracket. Given bracket is means first step, remove the bracket. Okay, see the question number 2 types. Now remove the bracket. So 4 is equal to 5 multiplied by p, it means 5p, 5 2 ja 10 but minus. Now 10 in this side, so 4 plus 10 is equal to 5p. The process is both the side add 10. 4 plus 10 is means 14, here is 5p. 5 and p is multiplication relation, so 5 in this side, it means 14 by 5 is equal to p. This means both the side divided by 5. Here is divided by 5, it means 14 by 5. Here divided by 5 cancel, only remaining p. So our answer is 14 by 5. The first question answer. Same for the next one. So minus 4 is equal to 5 multiplied by p, it means 5p. 5 multiplied by 2, it means 10, but minus. Now 10 in this side, so minus 4, minus 2 in this side, plus 10 is equal to 5p. Minus and plus, minus plus minus, it means 10 minus 4, it means 6. But positive, why? Because 10 is positive, so answer is positive, 5p. 5 in this side, it means both the side divided by 5. So 6 by 5, here is p. So p value is equal to 6 by 5. Understand? Next. 16, 5 multiplied by 2, 10, but this one is negative, this one is positive, negative, positive, negative. 5 2 ja 10, right? Multiplication, 5 multiplied by p, it means 15, both the number is negative, so minus and minus plus, so here is plus sign. See in this side, so minus 16, minus 10 in this side, plus 10 is equal to 5p. Minus 16 plus 10. So this one is negative, this one is positive. Minus plus minus, it means 16 minus 10 it means 6. But minus, 16 is the big number, so put the 16 sign, it means minus 5p. 5 in this side, it means divide both the side 5. So minus 6 by 5 is equal to, here only for p. So p value is equal to minus 6 by 5. Clear students? The first question, second question and third, these three is clear. Okay, same for the next, yani ki question number 4, D. 10 is equal to 4 plus 3 in bracket t plus 2. So first of all remove the bracket, so 10 is equal to 4 plus in 3 multiplied by 3, 3t plus 3 multiplied by 2 it means 6. Now students, one more thing, 4 plus 3 it means यहाँ पे आपको 7 नहीं लिखना है, right? If not equation, the 4 plus 3 it means 7 in bracket t plus 2. First of all remove the bracket, it means 3 multiplied by 3 is 2, it means 3t plus 6. Then after the solve, so the 10 is equal to 4 and plus 6, it means 10 plus 3t. Now 10 in this side, so the 10 plus 2 in this side, minus 10 is equal to 3t. So the 10 minus 10 is means 0 is equal to 3t. Now 3 multiply in this side, so 0 divided by 3 is equal to t. So 0 divided by 3 is means not a 3, huh? If many times the 0 divided by 3, we will write 3. The 0 divided by 3 is means 0, so the t value is equal to 0. Understand? Next one is 28 plus is 28 equal to 4 plus 3 multiplied by 3 is means 3t, 3 multiplied by 5 is means 15. 28 is equal to 15 plus 4 is means 19 plus 3t. Now 19 in this side is means both the sides subtract 19. 28 minus 19 is equal to 3t. Right? 28 minus 19 is means 9 is equal to 3t. Now 9 in this side, so 9 by 3 is equal to t. 3 in this side, multiply 2 in this side, divide. This means both the side divided by 3. Here is divided by 3, it means 9 by 3. Here divided by 3, the 3 cancel only for t. 9 divided by 3 means 3 3 is 9. So 3 is equal to t. It means t value is equal to 3. Clear? Same for the last one. 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 multiplied by m. 4m, 4 multiplied by 6, 24, but minus. This one is positive, negative, negative. 0 is equal to 16 minus 24. So here this one is positive and this one is negative number. 16 is a positive number and 24 is a negative number. So positive number and negative number, it means plus or minus, plus minus minus. So 24 minus 16, 24 minus 16 it means 8. But here is 24 is big number, so put the sign, it means answer is minus 8. So 16 minus 24, answer is equal to minus 8. And then after plus 4m. Minus 8 in this side, it means both the side add 8. In this side, so 8 is equal to 4m. इसे आप इस साइड लगा दो 0 plus 8, 0 plus 8 it means 8, 8 plus 4m. Now 4 in this side. So 8 divided by 4. Here 4 in multiply equal to this side, so divide. So 8 divided by 4, 8 divided by 4 it means 4 2s are. So 2 is equal to m. The m value is equal to 2. Okay? Now clear? How to solve any equations? Right? Now to the next.
Thank you for joining us.